we're gonna drop through one of those. That was sick! Woo, that was sick! I got that on film, dude! I looked back right when you jumped over it!
Fuck, that was scary! Is that camera still on?
No!
Fuck! Fuck! I didn't get it on film because my camera was off when I jumped that tidal wave.
I got you on film jumping that. I looked back right when you jumped it.
You saw me coming over?
Yeah, that's gonna make the sickest still photo ever.
That was like the fucking first time I've ever done that, and I knew if I didn't jump it, I was fucked.
Yep, you gotta.
I was about to pull my handle.
That was fucking sick, dude.
Yeah!
That was sick.
That was badass,
That was
dude. I'm
sick.
like, you're like, come on! So I'm glad.
Woo!
Fuck.
Holy shit.
My first avalanche, big avalanche, that probably could have buried somebody.
That's pretty good right there.